Hello everyone, Ian here at AbelCine in Burbank, and today I'm checking out Nano batteries from Core SWX. The Nano battery is a camcorder battery that fits onto the EVA 1 like this and other camcorder series such as Canon. What's remarkable about them is their capacity and their feature sets. It's a 98 watt-hour battery which allows us to provide 7.2 volts of power to the EVA 1, and it will run the camera for 5 hours. Now, in this particular build, what I've done is I've taken away the stock viewfinder and replaced it with a small HD 503, and that gives me the feature sets for focus, for exposure, all the things I love about this. It allows me to do everything off of one battery. So as you can see, this camera has been stripped down to its absolute bare minimum, and I'm able to do that because of the single battery source. These batteries can be charged on a stock Panasonic battery charger, and they also have a 4 LED panel that will show me my charge status, and they weigh just under a pound, like 0.9 pounds. So it provides you with lots of power, the ability to run accessories, and it allows us to use these camcorders in this small, compact manner that allows them to be great cameras for documentary, verite, gimbals, all types of different types of builds. And that's my look at the Core SWX Nano VBR 98. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.